What's happening YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to the first video that I'm recording in 2024. So although this will probably be going live at the end of January, start of February, I hope Santa brought you everything you asked for and I hope you have a fantastic new year. But today, let's get on with today's video. Today we are here with my wife's 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line, and what we're going to be doing is, well, not longer after my wife first got this car, I installed this Maxton Designs front splitter and Maxton Designs spoiler extension. And while I think these modifications aesthetically look absolutely awesome, there is one problem with it. When you stand face on or square onto the rear, these mods aesthetically look brilliant, absolutely awesome. The quality of these products is second to none. But when you kind of begin to look around the side of the car, as you can see, the splitting out changes the profile of the front, and the rear, the side here, kind of looks a little bit lost. But today we're going to fix that. And how we're going to fix that? Well, we're going to install these. These are Maxton Design side skirt extension. One for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. Let me offer them up to the car and show you what the idea is behind them. The idea behind these is to give the side of the car a bit more of an aggressive stance, just like the front, and these just sit there like so. Now I'm sure you'll agree, these are going to look amazing. We've got some fixings from Maxton Designs that will go with the car, and they're just kind of self-tapping screws that will screw directly into the bottom of the car. At present, these may not look like good on camera because they've got like a protective film on, but with the weather that we're having at the minute in the UK, I don't want to just kind of bolt these to the car, and all the dirt and the grime and stuff that's sat under the car currently just kind of stays there and sits there, potentially causes us some rust issues down the line. So I think what we need to do first is get the underneath of either side of the car kind of cleaned up. So let's get the jet wash out, let's get some cleaning done. Right, so I've rinsed the underside already. I've sprayed some multi-purpose cleaner under there to kind of agitate it. What I've got here in my bucket is just some warm water with some car shampoo in, and I've got my Chemical Guys alloy wheel cleaning brush. So I'm just gonna give the underside a good clean to get as much dirt and grime off as I can, and then rinse it off with a jet wash. So use the drying towel to make sure the surface is nice and dry. Prep the area, it's nice and clean and dry. What we're going to do now is prep the side skirt. Now, so you can identify which side skirt's for which side. I don't know, you can see there's an arrow just there where my hand is. So that needs obviously to point to the front of the car, saying that this goes this way. And there is a protective film on the skirt as well, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill some small holes, like pilot holes, in the side skirt to help me use the self-tapping screws when I put it on the car. What I'm also going to do is use some of this. Now, I went to my local paint and body shop, LPP Customs in Preston, and I asked them some Tiger Seal. Sadly they didn't have any stock, but they got the next best thing, which is this MHP seam sealer. And all I'm going to do on the top side of the side skirt is peel it back to like here, the protective film, and then I'm just going to run a bead, like a zigzag bead, all the way down the side skirt. So I'll stick it to the car, and then obviously put the self-tapping screws underneath, help stick it, and the self-tapping screws to give it some purchase against the body of the car. Oh, that's the plan. Never fitted these before, so not sure how well this will go, but that is the plan of action. When we get the drill, let's get these pilot holes drilled. Yeah, alright, I've just cleaned all the underneath. There's no dirt in, degreased it, scrubbed it, jet washed it, dried it, pre-drilled this, stick some of that seam sealer on it now. I'm explaining to my wife what I'm doing to a car and you're also listening, so that's handy, isn't it? So that's handy, isn't it? So now you know what I've done. I've cleaned the inside of the car. I've also used some degreaser. I pre-drilled this ready, which I'll do on the other side. It's all dry. I'm just peeling it back a little bit to expose the bit that sticks to the car, and then I'm going to put some sealant down there like a zigzag. Let's get some sealant on it. Stinks that, doesn't it? So we offer it to the car together. All the way up, no? Boom, boom. So, driver side's done, I've turned it down, it's on bricks on the passenger side. Same process as before, this underside clean, get it degreased, prep the skirt, let's get to it, starting with a good power wash. So, same as before, as you've seen, scrubbed, cleaned, de-dried, degreased, put the adhesive sealant on the skirt, wait for the wife to come out. She'll hold it up, I'll drill it in. Can't be that hard. Then my wife's car is fully Maxtonized. It's now got the front splitter, the spoiler extension and the side skirt extension. Car is still on bricks, so it does look a bit high, but it looks sick nonetheless. A really simple, smart, sleek kit to install this. What I'm going to do, it is getting a bit dark, although the camera's giving off like it's not. And the car is a little bit dirty, so just like the last time I installed the splitter and the spoiler, I'm going to let the glue set, the silicone set and dry, and then I'm going to fully wash and detail the car, and then we'll get out for some shots. I'm going to take it to the exact location with the splitter and the spoiler extension reveal. So I'll join you in a second, which will be about probably the best part of a week or two for me. So see you soon. This is the end of the video. You may recognise where we are. This is where I did the splitter and the side skirts. Sorry, this is where I did the splitter and the spoiler extension reveal. The car's just behind me, as you can see. I'll get some shots of it. Remember, like, comment and subscribe. This car is now fully Maxton Designs and the kit looks amazing, as I'm sure you will agree. Comment down below what do you think. think she looks absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching, see you on the next.